Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to group dates by month in Google Sheets pivot table. Let's begin. See this, select date column and go to format tab, number, select date. Okay. Then secondly, select full table, press Ctrl A or full table, go to insert tab, pivot table, create and rows. Then see this rows, date and values cells. Okay. Then select date cells and right click, create pivot group, or select click any date cells, any date cells, right click, create pivot date group by month. So this month, click here, and now we can see this group date by month. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.